I think about you, and what I love about you is everything that you do for your man, boo. It's like every dude wanna be your man too, and they girlfriends all like, damn you. You was a diamond in the rough till I dug you out. A little shy back then till I brung you out. And right now, I gotta admit, it take a special woman to make a ratty boy go legit. I used to think that being a player was all about it, telling women what they want just to keep them flattered. One night stands up in the stands, it became a habit. She got a man, she married, and yo, it didn't matter. I had nights that you could compare to paradise. I had a cold heart that could compare to paradise. Creeping at nights with my lights down low, the way I crept, yo, you would say I was a damn pro. What I got now's like I scored a touchdown. I'm feeling shorty cause I only feel a touch now. I quit the range and playing the games, and even tossed out my little black book full of names, because I got a lady that don't trip when I roll out. Only if you know what I mean, feel me, no doubt. So word is born, and yeah, born is sealed tight. I ain't gotta spend $1 just to make her feel right. Yeah, and shorty moving like she got some Strong Island in her. If not, she must have sipped a lot of Long Island in her, cause every move is flawless, don't do God this. A warrior princess like Lucy Lawless. She do the angel dance and then the zip it up, and I say damn shorty, she said zip it up. She did the higher level and said you'll never ever get on my level, whatever. Every now and then a hustler gotta take a break, take 5, take time to enjoy the cake, and escape from the madness and all the hate. Yo, I live the kind of life you can't anticipate, so I'm chilling at the bar with the bartender. She nice but shorty here far tender, sipping sex on the beach like she on the beach, moving her body to the music the way I move the beat. Damn, shorty looking real nice. Ain't drunk now, but I'm feeling real nice. Look her up and down and let her feel my eyes. Many dimes, but her appeal won the prize. She got a zodiac tat right above her arch, sign of a Pisces, probably born in March. Like a flyer, not a handout. I step the baby girl with my hand out. Got the mood set with the moon set. Cool night, but she bringing on that noon sweat. The way she move that, the way she do that. Haters on the sideline like who that? Yeah, shorty impressed many players. Skin tight dress, body like the Himalayas. Eyes green, thighs mean. Stare too hard, gonna need Visine. Slow motion for me, stick like a post-it on me. Do the spin like a skew, slow roast it for me. This ain't a talk show, but you the view. Baby girl, stay fly like a beauty do, while your boy get back to his duties, boo. Another day, another dollar, I'ma holler at you. But before I bounce, one last request. Move like a snake for me, baby, no contest. Within a couple seconds, you could always tell if you got a match or you never will. Is it fake, or is it real? Do you wanna grab her or just grab the bill? Cause only you could tell when love is there, and you could always tell when nothing's there. Is it a lifetime? Is it a one night? Is it all good, or is it not?